Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying something new. I've always wanted to try this drink, and I have a few Nigerian friends and I've seen some of them made this drink before, but I've never tried it. So today I decided to venture into my African self. All right, so now I am going to show you guys how I created this really super healthy and delicious drink. So thank you for clicking, and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash this beautiful golden pineapple. We're going to be using the peels from this pineapple, so you have to make sure that your pineapple is washed thoroughly. All right, so I'm going to peel it and then I'm going to add it to my water. I already have some water boiling on the stove, and that's the first thing I'm going to add is the pineapple skin. And I'm also going to add a cinnamon. You can add clove as well, or anise. So now I am going to be adding my ginger, just like when you're making your Jamaican sorrel drink. All right, I usually grate mine, but you can slice it up and add it in there as well, but I think it's easier to be extracted when it's grated. That's just my opinion. Now I'm going to add my sliced lemons, and I have 2 lemons here. I'm going to slice them up and I'm going to add them to my boiling water. All right, I'm also going to be adding, for my fruits, it's going to be pineapple and oranges. I'm going to add a few of my orange peel in there for extra flavor. Not a lot, just a few of them. And we're going to extract the juice from the orange and from the pineapples. All right, but I'm also going to be adding my sorrel at this point. I'm going to rinse my sorrel thoroughly and I'm going to add it to the boiling water. So I give it like a 20 minutes head start before adding the sorrel, because I didn't want to add the sorrel too early and boil it for too long, but it all depending on you. So after properly rinsing my sorrel, I add it to the pot, and I'm using the dehydrated sorrel. It's very potent, and you can add more water if you don't want it this strong, but this sorrel is really strong. But this is a really good drink, and you want it to taste really good, so you don't want to dilute it too much. So I'm just going to allow that to cook for like 10 minutes. You can just add your sorrel in the boiling water, cover it down and allow it to brew for a few hours, or the next day you can use it. But I'm just going to boil it for 10 minutes. I already have my pineapple sliced and chopped, and I'm going to juice them. I'm also going to juice my oranges as well, and we're going to add these juice to our sorrel after it's ready. So if you're making the zobo drink for health purposes, then you can maybe add a little bit of honey. I did add some sugar while it was hot, while the sorrel was hot on the stove, but I didn't want to show that part just in case somebody want to make it for health reasons and you don't really need any sugar. So it's up to you if you want to sweeten this or not. I was making this for my family to go with dinner, so I did add a little sugar in there when it was hot so that the sugar would dissolve easily. All right, so I am just going to strain it off, and I'm going to ensure that I get everything out of these sorrel leaves, everything. All right, so now that it's ready, I am going to strain it, run it through a few times just to ensure that it's properly strained. So once all the fibers have been removed, I went ahead and I added my pineapple and my orange juice. Okay, one thing that I can tell you from making this drink is that you can barely, because if you know Jamaican sorrel and what you're expecting from it, the sorrel taste that you get, it kind of overpowered by the other juice, but it's something different. It's really good. And what else I would tell you is to add 1 lemon. If you're making the same portion that I did, add 1 lemon instead, because I feel like that's what kind of overpower the sorrel taste, the lemons. But overall, this is a really delicious juice, and I know that every single person in your house will enjoy it. It's just not gonna taste like the Jamaican sorrel drink, because you have the pineapple juice, you have the orange juice, you have the zest from the lemon plus the lemon juice. So it's a whole different level of drink, but it's super delicious and it's super healthy. You can drink it hot and you can drink it chilled. All right, I just want to say happy birthday to one of my subscribers. She turned 73 on Saturday. Her name is Jeannie. Happy birthday, Jeannie, and I pray that God will bless you to see many more years, and may you live in good health and in good spirit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye guys.